Welcome back on Dcv ITech Technology. Today we are back on this new tutorial on effectively how to update your Windows to the latest version. So before we start, if you're new to our channel, remember to like, subscribe and share. Okay, as you are seeing, this is the file folder. This is Windows 10 upgrader. I'm going to leave the link in the description below. The main thing after downloading, you have to run it. After running it, you just wait for a while. Something is going to show on the screen. Okay, the next thing is going to look for the latest update. Next you have to do, since I've already put my Windows to the latest version, no need to use it again. So you just put, I'm going to show you a small video about it. You're going to press next. After just press on install, is going to download it after install it. So thanks for watching. Remember to like, subscribe and share.